Here's the latest update on the snow, and just wanted to let you know that miss all you guys, and here's an update on the snowman. Here we go. I could hardly walk through the snow to get to the Frosty. It's pretty well covered with snow. He misses you, Nader. We all miss you, and Mommy and Alex.
Hey, Nate. Hi, Nate. We miss you.
Can't even see you.
Yeah.
Who's that? The old bag with the cane.
Hey. Hi, Nate. Hi, Allie. Hi, Alex and Nathan. It's cold here. Hope you're enjoying your warm weather. Bye-bye.
Frosty, I don't think he's gonna melt for a while.